Hi friends, today it is 26/6/2022 and the time is 9:15 and this is going to be the weekly forecast video for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now everybody is in Josh. Bulls are back. Dow Jones went up by 800 points. All are jumping on the stage saying that bull is back. And whether we predicted this, yes, of course, we predicted this last week itself. You can go back to my weekly forecast video. Clearly mentioned that we are in for 1,000 points move from the low of 15,193. That video is available in my YouTube channel. You can go back and watch that. Already 500 points done, another 500 points there. Whether it is going to do that 500 points tomorrow or in the next 2-3 days time, God only knows. But the prediction is worked based on time, because 17th was the very important date for Nifty as well as Dow Jones, and 17th was the date where Nifty made the bottom, and 22nd was the important cyclic day for Nifty, and there also it made the bottom, and it closed, uh, you know, uh, very good on a weekly front, because the weekly close was above 80% of the candle. It closed above the 80% of the candle on a weekly candle. So it is obviously, there will be a gap up tomorrow. All that we don't know. Now everybody was jumping suddenly tomorrow. If Dow Jones opened 400 points down in the morning, then everybody will go for a toss, and they will change their stance. We don't do all that. So ours is very clear. Last week we clearly mentioned the bottom formation is happened. If it holds 15,193, there will be 1,000 points more, right? So now let's go to all that and we will discuss all this. So before this Dow Jones gap up, can we predict that Monday move? Let's go and watch this. Okay, so yeah, let's go this first WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp group. I'm not able to bring my group here because there is some problem in my WhatsApp. So my Fortune Signals 369 is my broadcast group. So I'm taking one guy, one member from there, where what all we discussed. So this is the number which I posted at 3:14 p.m. on Friday. If Nifty future holds 15511, target 16137 by expiry, on or before expiry. And if Bank Nifty holds 33177, target is 34598 by expiry. What is these two numbers? This is only futures. This is futures. This is futures. Okay. And people took position based on this on Friday evening. Few people took positions on Friday evening. And what is this number? This number is nothing but a one magic number of Nifty future. One magic number of Nifty future. I don't know how many people are watching my videos regularly. If they watch my videos, then they will know what is the miracle of that number, or the magic of that number. And this one is 34,598. Will it go to do it in the next 3 days time? God only knows. Let's see. And this was a weekly observation I have given at 7 o'clock to my subscribers. This is a weekly observation. So clearly mentioned everything here. Because I was not feeling well, so I thought of finishing my weekly observation on Friday itself. But now I'm doing my videos. So it's clearly given. Bank Nifty closed very near to 21st June high. Break above 250 points on the upside in Nifty, and 750 points upside on Bank Nifty. If it breaks 21st June low, 250 points below, in Nifty, 750 points below in Bank Nifty. So let's see whether if it opens tomorrow, if it is a high of, if it is crossing 250, 21st June high, 250 points on the upside. Okay, both the indices closed above Thursday high, which is a good sign. So after a long time, it closed above the previous day high, so it is a good sign. And this I've already said at 3:15 itself. And cyclic day for Bank Nifty is happening on 29th June. 29th June. According to me, 29th June, Bank Nifty will make a top. Okay, this I've clearly mentioned in my weekly forecast, in my PPT itself. 22nd was the cyclic day for Nifty, where Nifty made the bottom. And 29th is the cyclic day for Bank Nifty. And according to me, it should make a top. Let's watch. Okay, so all that. And today we had a webinar and all that. And And okay, fine, nothing else to talk about this. So now let's go to this. So this was a weekly forecast which we made last week, 20th June to 24th June. Crucial week, crucial week for 1,000 points move from here. This was the topic. So already 500 points done, another 500 points more. Okay, so somebody commented that it is so important to see your video now. Okay, chalo. So now apart from that, I've covered 4 videos and I've talked about more than 180 stocks based on some criteria. So kindly go back, watch those videos. This is an introduction video. This is an introduction video. Kindly go back, watch this video, then come back to these 3 videos where the stocks are covered based on a specific rule. Based on a specific rule. I have not added anything extra in that. Okay, if you want a detailed analysis, you need to let me know. Then I'll try to cover those counters with a lot of parameters, with a lot of system involved, like Ichimoku, Pitchfork, time cycle, GAN, and all that. That's a pure fortune signals indicator. That is more than enough for us. And we predicted Nifty bottom just because of fortune indicators based on the rule which I talked in this video. The same rule, nothing else. And we are able to find the bottom. Okay, so now let's go to our stocks. So now there are a lot of videos are going around saying that, after the bump up move, everybody is saying that, Nifty will try to fill the gap. All that everybody knows. Everybody knows this. Okay, so now let's go to this one. Okay, so on a weekly front, Nifty is holding 100 SMA. So if it breaks, it will try to go and fill this gap. Okay, what is the gap area? The gap area is roughly around 16,203 level. Okay, 16,203 level. So as of now, on a weekly front, Nifty is holding, 100 SMA. Okay, very simple. Let's go to Ichimoku. It is below the cloud, and this cloud is turning bearish here. Okay, so now even if it goes up from here, thank God if it goes inside this, the volatility will be very heavy because it will be indecisiveness. Let's see whether it is not going back and taking, going inside. Otherwise, let it come down here and take somewhere break here on the upside. If it goes inside, believe me, many people, traders will have a major problem because this is indecisiveness and lagging span will have lot of resistance here on the candle front. Okay, so very difficult. Let's see. And this cloud number is roughly around 16,102. Mark this number, 16,102. Okay, mark this number. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. But in the gap area says 15,192. So let's see how it is going to plan out. Okay, so coming to Nifty Bank. Just a minute. Just sorry, extremely sorry. Market doesn't like gaps, so it will try to break close here. Bank Nifty is looking good when compared to Nifty. Okay, so there's a gap area. It will try to fill this gap area, and the gap area higher number is roughly around 34,348, and our number is 34,598 on spot. I will come to the numbers later. This is just what everybody does. I am also doing it fine. So this is a gap area. Let's see how the gap area is going to fill tomorrow. Whether it is going to gap up, or in case if the Dow Jones goes down by 400 points in the morning, everything will go for a toss. Okay. So I will write PPT based on where the market closed. I will not change my view based on where Dow Jones closed or S&P closed. I don't care about what it does there. I care about what Nifty does here. Okay. So my PPT will be based on where Nifty closed. Right. I've already designed my PPT on Friday night itself. Okay. Right. So this is the gap area. Let's see whether it is going to fill it up. And if you go to Ichimoku, yes, definitely it is below. and each lagging span will have a lot of resistance on the top. Let's go to weekly. Same again, even if it goes higher, possibility of maximum possibility is 35,473. But before that, you have a baseline where you will face a resistance at 34,473. And if you go to more or less, it closed above 100 EMA. Okay, that's all. So we don't need to do too much of homework here. Let's go and watch this. This is what. Okay, so now on 1 hour basis, Nifty, it is still inside the cloud. If you see here, you can see it is still inside the cloud. So it has to break the cloud tomorrow somewhere here. I don't know, it may even open here. If that happens, it's well and good, but it has to sustain this level till 27th, 315. If it opens up a gap up, in case if there is a gap up, it should not come back and go back again inside the cloud. If it goes again inside the cloud before tomorrow evening 3:15, again gala time starts for there. So it has to sustain above this cloud till 3:15. That's a criteria. Okay, so now what is this number? The miracle. I am seeing two numbers. In case even if it goes up from here, I am seeing two numbers which are very, very crucial. 15,836, which was my miracle week high number. And you know this number, I am telling this number for a very long time. And the very important number which I am watching out is 15,836. Break above 15,903, all these higher targets and everything is already clearly given in PPT. We'll go to the numbers later. So now, based on 1 hour parameter on Ichimoku, it is still inside the cloud, which is indecisiveness. And exactly yesterday, it came and took the support at 15,625. In my first video, when I covered Dow Jones and other stuff, I covered a little bit of Nifty. Kindly go back and see how my weekly forecast worked based on numbers and how it done miracle in two numbers, which is 15,625 and 15,376. See how the miracle happened at those numbers. Believe me, these numbers won't change even for the next 1,000 years. People don't believe. I don't care. But it happens like that only because market respects those numbers to the precise. Okay. So now inside the cloud, but if you go to Bank Nifty, see how beautifully it acted. We went short here yesterday and it's there in the WhatsApp also. We said keep only 40 point stop loss and see how beautifully it exactly went near to this cloud top came down. But when compared to Nifty, this guy will be good because it is coming out of the cloud tomorrow morning on the first candle itself. So now it should not again come back and close below inside the cloud within 27th June, that is tomorrow before 3:50. It should keep on rotating somewhere here. Then, yeah, fine. Then the cloud will go down. So then there is a lot of cushion for the bulls. Otherwise, again, it's a problem. So tomorrow, the first 1 hour candle is the magical candle to watch out for. Okay. If you don't have any positions, wait for the 1 hour candle, let another candle close above that 1 hour candle, then take the position with the stop loss of first 1 hour candle low. If the 1 hour candle high is not taken out, be very cautious on the market. Be very cautious on the market. There will be a fall and there will be up because Tuesday is Amavasa. Amavasa on Tuesday, it is bullishness for the market. And 29th is where I am finding a top on Bank Nifty based on past prediction. So 29th is the day for Bank Nifty to make a top. Let's watch. Market give a lot of surprises. This is what our forecast. Let's see how the market respects those numbers as well as the predictions. Okay. So this is inside the cloud. Most probably it will come out of the cloud tomorrow. Let's see whether it is coming out of the cloud or not. Fingers crossed. So now let's go here. On weekly Nifty, I've already explained below the cloud. And Okay, so now this is a lot of charts inside, and Nifty is forming a falling wedge pattern unless and until if Nifty doesn't break 216 and go somewhere here, the falling wedge pattern is still valid. And when it breaks 15,109, 183, the fall will be roughly around 900 points straight. 900 points straight. So now bulls has to hold this low. 17th important trend change date low. I'm talking about Nifty now. Okay. So 17th important date low, and this was the last pitchfork line. This blue color was the last pitchfork line. So once it breaks and hold this blue color line, the next it will go and try to hit this green color line. Once it breaks this green color line on the top, it will try to go and touch the median line of pitchfork. The median line of pitchfork is somewhere around 16,729. So now tomorrow we need to watch whether Nifty is going to close above this green color line, which is the pitchfork line, which is staying at 16,107 level, and it has to break this trend line on the top, which is this trend line on the top, and the trend line resistance is somewhere around 16,240. Once it breaks, yes, again, cloud will give a resistance. Once it goes inside, it will be a volatile session, and the cloud is still in red. Cloud is still in red. Watch out. But in case if the cloud is red, if Nifty gives a lot of thumbs up and closes above the cloud high, which is 16,901, then the miracle will start. Then the miracle will start. But don't worry, we will tell you when the Nifty gives a genuine buy, and if it gives a genuine buy, then the bottom is done on daily. Till that time, it is bearish only for me. But based on a rule which we had a webinar today to talk about a rule, and that rule says if Nifty holds 15,183, the target for Nifty from here on is 26,195. Okay. So don't think what suddenly, I was talking about bear, and suddenly I become bullish and all that. Absolutely no. What I'm saying now is there is a rule. That rule says all the conditions are met. All the conditions are met last week. Okay. If Nifty holds, again saying captions, if Nifty holds 15,183 on a weekly closing basis, the target is 26,195 Nifty. Will it hold? God only knows. But according to me, it will break 15,180. The rule says something, my observation says something. Which is going to win? It is with the market. Let's see, whichever going to win, we are going to be with the trend, with the fortune signals help. That's all we know. As a trader, that's all we know. And for the investors, I've already put in the video, whichever stocks you want to buy, you select your stocks. I've given 180 stocks. Whichever stocks you want to buy, you buy in that. If you want more detail on the video, you can ask me. I will help you. So this is what a Nifty as of now. Falling wedge pattern, break above the falling wedge pattern. You all know how falling wedge pattern works, right? So use that. And Bank Nifty, yes, this was little trend change date. That's why I have not given a lot of importance to this, but it is closed above the pitchfork line. So now if till it holds this blue color line, the next target is this green color line. So where is this green color line? It is somewhere around 34,950. But below that, there is a cloud which will give obstacle. And there is one pitchfork line is already there. It is somewhere near 34,206. So let's see how it's going to plan out here. All the clear-cut numbers I've already given in my PPT. We will go to the PPT and see the numbers. So this is just based on pitchfork, Ichimoku and all that. Let's go to the numbers. Okay. right? So this is the first page which I've already done on Friday 7:30 itself, and I've already posted in LinkedIn, WhatsApp, everything. So same thing, nothing changes. Okay, so anything about 21st June high, 250 points upside on the Nifty. Anything below 21st June low, 250 points low on the Nifty. Okay, so let's go to the second page. This is very important. Watch this. So now on a coming week, you need to watch two things. One, magical 1 hour candle to watch in Bank Nifty is 9:15 to 10:15 a.m. on 28th June. On 28th June, not tomorrow. Well, tomorrow is what the traders should do is they need to wait till the first 1 hour candle. If the candle high is breached, they can go long with the stop loss of the first candle, candle low. That is for traders for tomorrow. Okay, only for trading. But the crucial candle to watch out for in Bank Nifty is 9:15 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. This is based on past pattern, 1 hour magical candle thing. You all know, if you watch my video regularly, then you all know how I do this work. So watch this 1 hour candle. And when it comes to Nifty, magical 2 hour candle for Nifty is 1:15 to 3:15 p.m. on 29th June. On 29th June. See, all predictions, future predictions we are giving here. Last week, when I gave 16th June, first 1 hour candle will be the miracle candle for Nifty. You all know what happened after 16th, first 1 hour candle. Once it broke the low, it was a collapse on that expiry day. It was a collapse on the expiry day. It is there in my PPT. If you go back down, you can see all that, because none of them is hidden here. You can go and watch all that. Everything is available. Okay, so this was the thing. 16 to 62, 9:15 to 10:15 a.m. Under important observations. Under important observation. You can go back and check what happened on 16th 6 2022, first 1 hour candle after the low was broken. It was a miracle fall. So all this are identified with the past data which happened 1 year, 2 year, 3 year back, and market respect all those with 100% accuracy. And how it is doing it, God only knows. So that is why I say Nifty is God, simply. So now this week, these two candles are must to watch. Just market and see. Just market and see how market is going to work out in these two candles. Right? These are all the other predictions which I've already gave. Okay. And tomorrow, Axis Bank and ITC are having the TCD day. I've already covered Axis Bank and ITC in my stock video. In that, buy stocks with a small stop loss video. So Axis Bank and ITC is already there, and my lookout is ITC. And Axis Bank is at the exact support on fortune signals on a weekly trend. So watch out tomorrow. And I covered Grasim also. So watch out for Grasim. Just see how this six counters will make your year good. Just these six counters. These six counters. Just mark the high and low of 6th June of these six counters. And I'm telling it regularly. Up to you whether to take it or not. Okay. So now let's go. This is the number for tomorrow. So I have not written something around buy above 18,608, 869 and all that. No. Where Nifty closed, from there I've took the buy. What is my number? My number is 15,836 to 15,876. PR is a zone. If it breaks, then 15,903. My target is done. If it happens tomorrow. Okay. So I don't know where it is going to open. Based on yesterday's close, I have written my numbers. And below 15,625, this is the target. The support is this number. On the sell side, if I write a blue color number, it means it's a support. On the buy number, if I write the red color number, it is a PR is a zone. It means price reversal zone, not this one. Not this one, sorry, not this one, because I will make an underline. So the underline is there. Okay. And sell number for Bank Nifty, buy number for Bank Nifty. It may open here also, but watch out for this. If it opens here, let's see whether it is going to break this level or not. If not, ulta from here. PRZ zone. On the below side, PRZ zone is here. And Nifty futures, all numbers are given. Right. So now coming to the major part. So this is our one magic number for the month of June, and below this number, it has already given you 900 points. Right? Only one number. You don't need any other number, no trend line, no Ichimoku, no pitchfork, no RSI, no MACD, nothing. One number finished. And you have this number on the first day of expiry. Below this number, it gave 900 points, right? So now coming week, this is the weekly number. This is the intraday deciding number and intraday positional number. Okay. So these three are below. That's why it has become blue. The stock is above these three prices. So if it breaks all this is the next resistance. Break above this, it will go and touch this number. So this is the number which I gave as a target on Friday evening to my subscribers. If Nifty holds this number, target is this number. Understood? But there will be one resistance here. But this number will change every day. This number will change every day. And this number won't change for the whole week. It won't change. And this number won't change for the whole month. It will stay for the whole month. Single number, finished. Okay. And weekly bull side number, all I have written. Okay. And the max target I have given is 16,129. Okay. And sell number also is here. And PR is a zone clearly given. And my weekly pivot number 16,625. Bank Nifty, same. All these three are in green, and this is the weekly pivot. So this is what I said. Till it holds this number, target is this number. Okay, let's watch. And daily number resistance is this. So break above tomorrow, you need to watch in case if there is a gap up open. In case if there is a gap up open, then watch these two numbers: 34,366, 34,598. Again, I'm telling, if market Bank Nifty future doesn't cross 34,598, it will come and touch this number before the expiry. 33,118. Watch out for this number very crucially, very crucially. If it goes to that number, you can go for a short with 144 point stop loss. But you need to see the price action there, whether it is getting resistance there or not. Okay, people, those who are there in the market for so long, they can easily identify that. Watch out for that number. If it is not crossing that number and it is struggling near that number, just use 144 point stop loss. It will come and try to touch this number on expiry. Let's watch. Game is on. Same thing here. If it is not going above this number and staying above this number for at least for 1 hour or even 30 minutes, possibility it may even come and touch this number before expiry. So it's going to be a monthly expiry, crucial week. Already people, those who went long, gone for a toss. Those who went short, gone for a toss. So now this 4 days, it's for them. I don't know how many people live they are going to screw in the next 3-4 days time. And as I already told, 28th is Amavasa. On Friday, on Tuesday, it is bullish. 29th, I'm expecting a top in Bank Nifty. And I've already mentioned this year when the market opened in the month of June. So all the dates are here. So this was a cyclic day, 29th June. It will make a top, according to me. I may be wrong. Let's see how the market respects on 29th on Wednesday, 2022 June. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07 number. Fingers crossed whether it's going to be gap up or not. Bye.